Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vacuums for high pile carpet that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a vacuum that combines performance, durability, and value, you're in the right place. Be sure to check the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum. This is our budget pick, priced at an ultra-affordable $69.99. Despite the low price, this vacuum packs a surprising punch with its lightweight design and full-size power. It's compact, making it ideal for smaller living spaces like apartments or dorm rooms. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, so you're also contributing to a great cause. The standout features here include its scatter-free technology, which reduces messes on hard floors, and the quick-release extension wand for above-floor cleaning. At just over 10 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver, even around tight spaces. However, with a 1-liter dirt cup capacity, it might require more frequent emptying if you're tackling larger areas. While it's not the most powerful option for deep cleaning high-pile carpets, it's perfect for light-duty tasks and quick cleanups. Pros include its compact design, affordability, and strong suction for its size. On the downside, its small dustbin and limited versatility for dense carpets may leave you wanting more in larger homes. If you're on a budget, this is a great place to start. At number 4, we have the Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner, PowerSpeed. Priced at just $75.99, this vacuum offers an upgraded cyclone system designed for handling everything from larger debris to microscopic dust. It's lightweight at only 11.5 pounds, making it easy to carry and move around your home. The Eureka PowerSpeed is equipped with 5 height settings, which allow it to adapt to different surfaces, including high-pile carpets, shag rugs, and hard floors. It also comes with an impressive lineup of tools, such as a 7-inch crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool, all conveniently stored on board. However, you'll need to clean the roller brush frequently to keep it functioning optimally. This vacuum's 1.9-liter dust cup capacity is larger than most in this price range, meaning fewer trips to the trash can. While powerful, it does generate some noise, registering at 88 dB. Pros include excellent maneuverability, versatility across surfaces, and great value for the price. The cons? It's not as robust for heavy-duty deep cleaning and requires consistent maintenance to prevent clogs. This is a good option for someone seeking a versatile and budget-friendly vacuum for general household cleaning. Coming in at number 3 is the Rocket Ultralight Corded Bagless Vacuum, HV301. This lightweight, versatile vacuum is priced at $171.50, offering premium features for users who value convenience and flexibility. Weighing under 9 pounds, it transitions easily between floors and ceilings, doubling as a handheld vacuum for those hard-to-reach areas. The Rocket delivers ultra-powerful suction on both carpets and hard floors, making it a strong competitor for high-pile carpet cleaning. Its fingertip controls let you toggle between surfaces effortlessly. The swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture a breeze, and the included upholstery tool, anti-allergen dust brush, and crevice tool make it a solid choice for pet owners or allergy sufferers. The dust cup, however, is on the smaller side at 0.31 quarts, so frequent emptying might be required for larger cleaning sessions. Pros include its lightweight design, versatile attachments, and strong performance on both carpets and bare floors. The cons? Its small dustbin capacity and higher price point compared to other lightweight models. If you're looking for a vacuum that's easy to handle and suitable for varied cleaning tasks, the Rocket is an excellent choice. At number 2, we have the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum. Priced at $119.99, this vacuum is a fantastic mid-range option for households with pets and high-pile carpets. Its specialized pet tools and triple-action brush roll make it a pet hair warrior, loosening, lifting, and removing embedded fur with ease. The CleanView Swivel features edge-to-edge cleaning, ensuring that dirt and debris in corners don't stand a chance. Its large 1-liter dirt tank is easy to empty, and the swivel steering allows you to navigate around furniture effortlessly. The multi-surface cleaning capability, combined with scatter-free technology, ensures a seamless transition between carpets and hard floors. Pros include its strong pet hair pickup, excellent maneuverability, and large dirt tank. The cons? It's slightly heavier at 12.5 pounds and can be a bit noisy at 80 dB. If you have pets and are looking for an all-around performer, the Bissell CleanView Swivel is a great investment. Finally, at number 1, we have the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum NV360. Priced at $189.99, this is our premium pick, offering exceptional versatility and performance for high-pile carpets. The lift-away functionality allows you to detach the pod for above-floor cleaning, making it perfect for stairs, furniture, and more. One of the standout features here is the anti-allergen complete seal technology, paired with a HEPA filter, which traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. The large 0.9-quart dust cup means you can clean longer without interruptions. The powerful suction handles both carpets and bare floors with ease, and the swivel steering ensures smooth maneuverability. Pet owners will appreciate the included upholstery tool for tackling pet hair on furniture. Pros include its outstanding cleaning performance, HEPA filtration for allergen control, and versatility for both high-pile carpets and hard floors. The cons? At 15.96 pounds, it's on the heavier side, and the price is at the higher end of the spectrum. However, if you want top-tier performance and durability, the Shark Navigator NV360 is the ultimate investment for your home. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.